Euro dollar, big downside then as expected coming into play for euro, right? We effectively, remember we were looking for this to be a lower high for the euro dollar, and obviously very much proven to be so after this hawkish FOMC decision. My man Kevin Warsh standing on business as we were expecting. He came out, he came out, pushed the markets back on, get it out of your headspace, he said, but the idea of rate cuts, they're not happening. And we have been well positioned for this. He's made it clear it's going to be higher for longer. A rate hike is most likely coming. We're going to be very much data dependent. So every single CPI reading that's coming out, anything inflationary, jobs numbers, so on and so forth, we're going to be dependent on. And he's saying that the economy right now is still strong. So we don't need to cut. So get out of your minds, basically, markets. He really slapped the markets in the face, essentially. So euro coming into play with a lower high there, and obviously we're in motion for a lower low as we speak at the moment, grinding down key liquidity at 15s. We're going to be heading in towards next major area, which is down at the mid 14 region. So further downside pressure for euro still being eyed. We did have a trade that we took because obviously these equal highs were just too good to miss. Double top, equal highs, had the trade just in anticipation of this break. We left stops breathing room above, and obviously FOMC, as per our analysis, came into play and helped that to the downside. Guys, as a reminder, right, we have you may have heard me say it in a dollar video, there's an extremely limited short space. Short space is like just a few, right? Because once this voucher's been used, it's gone. But you have a ticket now. In a link in the description of this video or somewhere in this article, you will get 25% off the macro trading blueprint, which is going to teach you how to trade macroeconomics and also technicals tied together combined, regardless how you approach the market. But that value aside, you're going to have 1 year access to the KenMacro desk where you get access to the terminal. There's AI powered trades, manual powered trades, my explanation of why I'm taking trades, my breakdowns, research reports, a ton of value. And we'll continue to build it. It was continue to build greatness here. So if you want to get access to that, I'm just trying to make it accessible for everybody, or as many people as I can within a short space of time to come in, grab it while you can, because it's just a few, like literally if you do try and get it tomorrow or the day after, you'll see the codes probably have expired. So just so you know, get it while you can. Otherwise, catch your next update.